really gentle with this. This is really, really, really. Oh, I didn't know this was the top. That's so silly. Let me just put it down to make you all see it. Let me take it out. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Here are the stuff that this little you baby egg is gonna have some stuff here. So let's go take a baby. This is really, really okay. Take her out. Aww, she's so pretty. Look at the sparkles on her. This is her nest. It's so pretty because it has sparkles and jewelry. Now let's go open up the egg. But first, I'm going to show you how we can open it. First, you turn it around like this. Okay, now my mommy helped me open it. So let's go open the egg now. She talked. Let's go put her in her little nest. Aww. Oh, she's cold. Let's go rub her to make she will hatch. These babies are gonna have taking time. She's green. I don't know what green is. Let's go open up the instruction. Let's go put her right over there first. Let's see what we need to do. You have to tilt her when she's sick. Like this. She needs a burp. Oh no, she's cold. She's cold. Blue is cold. This is what you're gonna do to the colors. Oh, how can we do sad? Like this? Don't be sad. Oh! Did you see? So these babies are taking long if to make they will hatch. Okay. So we need to take care of this little egg because she's gonna get broken or else you're not gonna have a little egg. So we're gonna take care of her. Really important. See in the back, she has pink polka dots and blue polka dots. Oh, she needs a burp. Oh, green. She's sick. Aww. Okay, so the lights turned off, so let's go wait. Oh, oh. Where's she cracking? Where's she cracking? Nowhere. Oh, there's a little crack there. Come on, you middle. Let's go rub her to make she will crack. This is what you're gonna do when she's to make if you want her to crack. Just rub her. She's she's trying to crack. Where is she cracking? She's cracking. Did you hear that? Oh. Oh. Don't give up. Don't give up. Rub her, rub her. Oh. Okay. She's trying to. Oh. Oh. Oh, I see her beak. I can see you. I see her little beak. Ready, set, go. She's the pink. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's so cute. Let's go take up the rest of the... My mommy helped me take off the rest of the shelves. So let's go take her out in these plastics. These plastics are so pretty because she's a pink. She's singing happy birthday! That's so sweet! She's so cute! Look at her pretty wings! When she gets older, when she has a sister, she's gonna be very happy. Oh no! If you like this video, leave it in the comments below!